Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater here today with a video walkthrough of a 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. This boat is finished in the 3-zone gel coat with the black hull bottom, white hull sides, and black accent stripe. We do have the matching accent paddles and the folding hardtop. Very nice look. Moving around to the stern of the vessel, we'll see it's powered by a white 300 Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboard. Very smooth and refined performance. This power package really pairs up perfectly with this boat. So let's step aboard and take a look. So initially, we're going to see one of the standout features which really sets this boat apart from the competition. We have this rear seating module, so when we go to the sandbar, we slide that forward. Very spacious swim platform, rear facing seating with an L-shaped lounger, cup holders absolutely everywhere. Very nice storage compartment for all your water toys, speakers and controls in the back. Stereo system on this boat is a Fusion upgraded stereo system, which adds additional power to the speakers as well as the subwoofer. Transom wash down shower, transom door, battery switch is conveniently located. And last but not least, in the swim platform, we now have an integrated cooler as well. And it's time to head back from the beach. We can simply flip our backrest. And now we have just opened the cockpit with a ton of seating area. Even in this position, we'll see the swim platform is still very spacious and usable. Moving forward, we'll notice the blue accented LED lighting. Passenger and helm chair has reversible backrest for forward seating or reverse lounging. Moving up to the helm, we'll see the Fusion stereo, 12-inch Simrad digital dash, so that's your chart plotter, fish finder, as well as digital engine data. Next, we'll check out the head. This is another innovative feature that really is a standout option on this boat. With the port side pass through the bow, now we have a very large head area. Cushion package, so very usable head. Get down there and change, but one or two people or smaller bodies can get down there and lay down as well. Finishing up, we'll move into the bow. We'll have the bow door, of course, windshield to keep out the elements. More blue accented LED lighting, integrated igloo cooler, and fore and aft facing seating. If you'd like to see this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-536-2628. So give us a call. Come on down if you want to see this boat in person or set up a demo, or just stop by and see our in-stock inventory and our indoor showroom. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you on the water soon.